Want to know how to add your location or change your location in well-found for AngelList? Well, no worries. In this videos, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, make sure you open up wellfound.com on your web browser and make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. So you can just simply select that. And now once you have selected your profile here, you should be seeing edit profile. Just simply select it. So now once you're on your profile, you should be directly on your profile editing tab. So since we are adding or changing our location, you need to scroll down a little bit. And once you scroll down here, you should be seeing where are you based. So you can just simply change the location. Just simply select this cross icon right here and then change it to any city that you like for your country. So once you have typed in, it should open up just like this right here and select it, and you should be seeing save down here. And just simply select save and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.